Hello everyone. Now let us continue the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. If you can recall in our previous classes, we have discussed about what is an acid, meaning of an acid and meaning of a base. Two different type of acids, two different type of bases and their examples. So that was the most fundamental idea on a chapter. And now let us discuss about how do you test whether something is acid or base. See, normally I have got two solutions. Among these, one acid, another base. Actually, they are looking like water. And how do you know which is an acid, which is an base? You can't smell it. Smell is also something, both of them give you the same smell, both acid and base, right? You can't taste it because some of the acids are very dangerous. Same with the base also. You can't taste them. Never go for tasting acid or base. It's highly dangerous. Okay. We have studied acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste, but you can't go for tasting them. Very dangerous. Now think, I have two test tubes. One test tube with the acid, another test tube with the base. And now you have to identify which is an acid or which is the base. Yes, you can't taste it, you can't smell it, you can't touch it, right? So, without doing all these, how do you know whether something is acid or base? So, that can be tested with the help of the substance is called indicators. So, indicators are the substance which are used to test acids and bases. So they will tell us which is an acid or which is the base. Okay. Acids, we have three type of indicators. They are, first one is natural indicators. So natural indicators are those substances which are obtained in the nature naturally. These are the indicators which are naturally available in the nature. Say for example, litmus solution or litmus paper. What do you mean by litmus solution? Litmus solution is the purple color liquid. Which color? Purple color liquid. That you get it from plant called lichen. Okay. So the purple color solution we will get from plant and later we will make it dry. And from that we will make two papers. We will call them as litmus papers. Two colored paper can be available in the market. One blue litmus paper, another red litmus paper. So we can use these colored paper to test whether something is acid or base. Second example, tamarind is also natural indicator, and third one is red cabbage leaves. Okay. So all these are used to test whether something is acid or base. When you dip them in acid, you get one color. When you dip them in base, you get another color. By color changes, you are telling it is acid, it is a base. And second type of indicator is synthetic indicator. What are the examples for synthetic indicators? Phenolphthalein and methyl orange. These are the chemical substances which are prepared by the man in the chemical laboratory. They are not available in the nature. Synthetic means man-made items. Okay, fine. And the last and important type of is olfactory indicators. This is very important. Okay. So, what do you mean by olfactory indicators? This is an indicator which is naturally available in the nature and their smell will be changed when you kept it in acid or base. Example for olfactory indicator is onion, vanilla essence and clove. Onion, when you dip it in acid, onion's smell and taste will change. The same onion, when you dip it in base, another smell and taste you will get. Okay. So, with the change in the smell, you can come to know this is the acid, this is the base. Such an indicators are called olfactory indicators, and this is very important for examination point of view. 2 marks questions or 1 mark question can be asked. They will ask you what are olfactory indicators. What should your answer? The indicators whose smell and taste changes when dipped in acid or base. Give examples. What are the examples? Onion, vanilla essence and clove. So this is about the indicators and their types. In the next class, we are discussing how we can test different type of acids and bases using different type of indicators. Till there, revise this, analyze each and every concept very well.